Hi everyone. So today we have this phone. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. I think this is the Pro version. But anyway, the to reset the phone, I think it's the same for 10 and 10 Pro. So you can see here the model. So it's over here the model number. It just doesn't say here Xiaomi. The exact model number they have here these numbers. So to reset the phone, so you have two ways, or you can reset it here inside of the phone. So you just come here and press here factory reset, and you have here erase all data. So I will show you from the beginning. You just go to settings, then where I was about phone, and then factory reset, and then you press it, and then it will ask you to confirm. If you want to backup, you press factory reset, and you have here next or cancel, and then you will need to wait, and then you will confirm it. So for now I will cancel because I want to show you the other way how to format. So this way is that if you have access to the inside of the phone in this case, but sometimes it might be that your phone froze. So for that, the phone needs to be off, and of course always be sure to have enough battery. If you don't, recharge it, put the phone to charge, and you can reset that way. So now it's off. So to do the hard reset, you just need to press here in the power button here on the side, and on the up volume button at the same time. So let's press it, and then when the logo appears, we just take off the fingers. So, and you can see here you have here this menu that it shows reboot, wipe data, connect, safe mode. So in this case we want to wipe data, but don't forget here they say here in the bottom that you can just move here. You cannot press anything, just needs to be with the volume up and down and the power to confirm. So let's do wipe data, press power button to confirm, then wipe data again. It will ask a few times, and now it will ask again to confirm it, and you can press confirm. So like once again, wipe data, down, wipe all data, and down to confirm, and that's it. And now here actually it's showing quite quickly. So we need to go back to the main menu, and now we will reboot to system, and now probably we'll need to wait here quite some time, because now it's when it's actually doing the formatting. I'm trying to do here some cleaning just to see to be a bit more visible. So let's wait and see when it will boot, just for you to see how much time it will take. Probably I will speed up. And okay, actually in this case it didn't take so long. It was quite quick, but now you need to set up everything, basically the language. So everything will be from scratch. So anything that you had in the phone will be deleted. So that's it. So this way is how you do like a hard reset here, because sometimes you might not have access to the menu itself. might freeze, or you might have applications that freeze the phone and it doesn't move, doesn't let you to go to the menu to reset it. So in this way you can hard reset. Power button, up volume, press both at the same time until the logo appears, and then you just choose the options with the volume up and down and the power to confirm. So hopefully this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.